In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop image in LibreOffice. We'll keep this quick and simple, so if you have a picture inside a LibreOffice document and you want to trim away unwanted parts, you'll be able to do it in just a moment. First, open LibreOffice and go to the document that contains the image you want to work with. If your image is already placed in the document, you're ready to begin. Cropping is useful when you want to clean up the look of a page, remove empty space around an image, or focus attention on a specific part of the picture without deleting the image completely. Next, click on the image you want to crop so it becomes selected. Once the image is selected, look toward the top of the LibreOffice window and find the crop image icon. Click that icon and you should see crop handles appear around the sides and edges of the image. These handles show that cropping mode is active and that the image is ready to be adjusted. Now, click and drag the crop handles inward from any side or corner. As you drag, LibreOffice will hide the outer areas of the image, letting you reduce the visible part of the picture. This is helpful when you want to make the image look tighter, remove distracting edges, or simply fit it better into your document layout. If you only want to remove part of the image from one side, drag just that side inward. If you want to crop more evenly, you can adjust multiple sides until the image looks the way you want. Take your time while doing this so you can get the framing just right. A good tip is to make small adjustments first, since it's easier to fine-tune gradually than to crop too much all at once. You can also watch how the image fits with the surrounding text or other elements in your document, especially if you're trying to keep everything neat and balanced. Once you're happy with the result, you can simply click away from the image to continue working in your document. The cropped version will stay in place and your image will now appear cleaner and more focused. And that's it. That's how to crop an image in LibreOffice.